All right, welcome to the Musicato Station, your friend Kingsley Monday. Today, I want to share with you some cool funk licks that you can use to spice up your funk kind of music. I will just share two with us today. All right, so let's get into this thing without much ado. The first one is this. So that's the first lick that you can practice. You can try it in all the keys and see how you can introduce this stuff when you are improvising. So let's try it in one other key. All right, we can also try in another key. That was C. That's E flat concert. That was C on the alto saxophone. Let's try in some other key. It might be a B flat concert. That's G on the alto saxophone. All right, let's go back to our F concert. That's D on the alto saxophone. All right, so you can as well take your time, try to get this stuff down on all of the keys, then try to fool around with the stuff. All right, so you can just try that. Right, the next one we'll be trying is this cool funk lick from Pick Up the Pieces. So that's a very cool one to try. So you can just use that, transpose it to some other keys, maybe G, F, all other keys. Take your time, play them, and you'll be fine. You can combine these two and sound very cool with your kind of funk stuff. So now we can add it up with the other one we practiced earlier. So you see that just fitting in so well. So you can just use it, take your time, try to figure out how to apply this stuff. You might just give yourself some kind of groove, or you may want to use a backing track, maybe uh, a one chord kind of a backing track, then try out this stuff. Take your time. For example, I might just try to fool around. So that's the size of the lesson for today. Please do well to subscribe. Happy shedding. Enjoy.